In the final image, there will be 15 of the strips. Um, one strip is like this. Okay, this is the strip. We start our drawing at this point here. This is 0, 0. And then before we draw this semicircle here, we assign the color red, line number 6. And then we draw the semicircle with radius 80. So radius is equal to 80. Now the angle over which we draw the semicircle is 180 degrees. So this is 180 degrees. After drawing this semicircle here, we draw this line here. This is a straight line and it is 150 pixels in length and the color is green. Okay, at this point here, after drawing the line, we draw another semicircle. This is the semicircle. And this is the command for drawing the semicircle. Again, the radius is 80 and the angle over which we draw the semicircle is 180. So look at this line here and this line here, they are exactly the same because this semicircle here and this semicircle here, they have exactly the same measurements. Now after drawing the semicircle, we're now here and then we draw the red line here. The red line here, which is 150 pixels in length. So we have here the color red and then 150 pixels in length. So after that, we're done with the strip here. And then we draw the second strip. Before drawing the second strip, look at this line number 13. We have to rotate our turtle 24 degrees. So that means at this point here, where the turtle is like this, we have to rotate it so that it becomes like this one here. There is a 24-degree angle. So this is now angle of the orientation of the turtle, this one here, and we are ready to go to the first command here, or the loop. So color red again, we're just repeating, and then we draw the semicircle. Okay, we repeat this loop here 15 times, so that we will have 15 strips. Note that I put here 24 degrees before we draw the second strip. It has to be 24 degrees so that we can have exactly 15 strips as images of the rotating strip. The angle should be 24. Why? Because 24 is 360 degrees for the whole circle divided by the number of strips, which is 15. Okay, and this is the generated image of the rotated strip.